to play musical instruments and bring them out of the shell and be proud of themselves and gain self-confidence.
Yes, alam mo naman sa Davaoenyo, hindi tayo mahiya na ipakita ang ating mga talent.
Yes.
Wow, ang ingay nila dito na side. So, Cication Drum and Lyre Corps, manayaw!
Diba, pagkatapos ng go, grind na naman.
Cutis Mestiza. Parang Cutis Mestiza ka. So we have the Cutis Mestiza as our 17th contingent for this morning. So Cutis Mestiza Herbal Beauty Soap is the maker of quality soaps. Cutis Mestiza Karang Papaya. Cutis Mestiza Glutathione.
And introducing the new Cutis Mestiza Fresh Menthol manufactured and distributed by Zeta Trading International.
Ayun, ang bibo talaga ng ating mga bata.
What?
Kanayawan. So happy Kanayawan to you.
Cutis Mestiza Beauty Soap.
Yan, ang ganda talaga ng mga
Kita mo
babae.
na mga models sa loob doon. From afar, you can tell they are using the Cutis Mestiza Herbal Beauty Soap.
Alright, so who's up next? Alright, so our next contingent is from the Universal Robina Corporation. They are for the Mang Juan pack with sarap ng Pinoy. The Max Lemon, ang hari ng tapang sa menthol coolness. Ang Nissin, walang kapare sa sarap. And ang Payless, tikman ang simot sarap. Paborito mo ba yan, Dan?
Ay, paborito na yan. Ang Universal Robina Corporation at ang kanilang mga produkto. Maraming salamat for joining. Pamunang Kanayawan.